So here's how you can make a lot of money really easily on Temu. This is actually really easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any steps. The very first thing that we need to do is open up our Temu app. From here, you want to click on You, and then you want to scroll down to hit on Settings. And then if you don't have an account yet, you want to make an account, of course. And then key is to change your country and region to the United States. Now I'm going to show you why. So once you have changed it and clicked on United States, you want to go back. You can have this option right over here, still in your You page. It's going to say earn credits and free gifts. Go ahead and click on that. And now you can see that there's a bunch of different options and offers for you to choose from for you to get a lot of PayPal money. You can see they have a cash reward where you can actually get literally $22, $30 via PayPal. You can also get free gifts right over here at the very top and get free items. But here I'm going to show you how to make money. So you want to pick on this option, redeem up to $200 to PayPal. Click on Get Now. So the way that this works is that Temu is going to make you promote your own affiliate link and your referral code to friends and family members and to basically whoever. And if they use your referral code and your link, then you can actually get a certain amount of money cashed out into your PayPal. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So you want to go through their instructions, click on Start. And then basically we have $1. So essentially we need 150 coins to go to redeem $10. You want to click on refer one friend. Go ahead and copy your code. This is going to be your referral code, copy code. Now if you just send this code to literally every single one of your friends, and they go ahead and download Temu, and then they go to their categories, and then they just paste in the code that they sent you, which is this code right over here. Then they're going to be led up to a different page where they click on the accept offer, and then basically your number is going to go up, and then you can redeem your $10 via PayPal.